redoing this video because I absolutely hated it. Anyway, I have a SMA to F-type connector that I purchased. It arrived in the mail today. Luke Evans Simon, if you follow him on Reddit, he figured out that you get a better signal with a bipole antenna. Of course, he's talking about the other transmitter, but I've had good luck with this one. And it was absolutely awful. And we use this antenna now that I bought for DTV, which is laughable. But yeah, kind of worked. And whoops, got the 85 Zenith TV out today so we could watch the X-Files on it because they went back to season 1. Channel 10 got better, especially on the Magnavox, which has a good tuner. So does the Toshiba. Here it is with no baling. What the hell? Copyright this video. YouTube's not going to know what the hell it is. It was better when I had the cable from the converter box going out of it into the TV. So I'll reconnect that. Put that straight up again. This is my theme song because I have no life. Too much time on my hands. At least I'm not trolling people in YouTube comment sections. So the Zenith TV, no nice spelling mistake, has a better tuner than the JCPenney TV, which was made by RCA, which has the pie crusting in the picture, which is kind of weird. Yeah, this is a set with a mechanical tuner, and it looks better than the RCA. So yeah, it's kind of weird. Actually, since the Zenith is kind of worn out and the Toshiba's not, I'm going to watch it tonight. Plus, we get to do the antenna test right now. Listen to how this sounds in the room. It sounds cool.
This is AICP calling Doolittle Airfield. Please come in.
Fix the convergence sometime this week. Speakers in this TV are awful. Probably upload this video to YouTube and not get in trouble for it because no one cares about it. I think older music's more mono compatible. There's no guitars or anything else that's in the background. It's all up front. Looking too red. You know, film turns red as it ages, apparently. It's true, I googled it. And I've seen it. So yeah, this doesn't look better than it did last time, which is okay, because I'm going to switch to a cable-based system, and hopefully that'll be in stereo, because I have a stereo modulator, professional one, and a consumer one on the way. One shown in a B Westlife video weeks ago. Of course, it's Green Day. It's good enough for casual music listening, the speaker in here. Looks like a perfect picture. Here it is with the VHF, the UHF loop antenna. Next, we're going to do this one. It has the same stupid screws as this TV has. Why is this slot so wide? Use a quarter to tighten it. Still got the horizontal interference, but whatever. The bar going up the screen. I think the filter caps are bad now. Very era inappropriate. Whispering because it's quiet. It's almost 3 a.m. It's like really sharp. Yeah, not bad. Really sounds weird because it's mono. The signal itself. Out of the transmitter.